Sir has already emptied the can beer.
Oh, yeah.
Already. How many can beers so far?
A very nice taste.
Yes. Already how many cans so far in 2 days?
How much you had?
Sometime five bottles.
Oh, wow.
Five,
Wow.
yeah.
Not bad.
And sometime, when the wind load,
Yeah.
dozen also.
Dozen.
Yes.
Wow.
No limit.
You have good energy.
Oh, yes.
Very strong.
Very strong, very strong.
I'm 54.
54.
Yes, even then I'm stronger than the
Yes, younger one.
Yes.
You still go for hunting?
Yep.
Hunting?
Why not? Yes, I
Yeah, good, yeah. Strong man.
Yes.
Good. Hello, bro. You look very handsome, tall, and very smart.
Thank you for the compliments.
You are from this locality?
No, I'm from Gelifu.
Oh, Kelifu. Oh, your friend. Oh, our friend, that means. Let's try some local drink.
Good news is it is made out of lychee.
Lychee.
Lychee wine.
Lychee wine.
Lychee
Whoa.
wine. Local lychee wine.
Fruit wine. Lychee wine.
Fruit wine.
Mm.
Lychee wine.
Yes.
Yes, lychee wine.
Lychee wine. Lychee wine. Sir has already emptied the can beer.
Oh, yeah.
Already. How many can beers so far?
A very nice taste.
Yes. Already how many cans so far in 2 days?
How much you had?
Sometime five bottles.
Oh, wow.
Five,
Wow.
yeah.
Not bad.
And sometime, when the wind load,
Yeah.
dozen also.
Dozen.
Yes.
Wow.
No limit.
You have good energy.
Oh, yes.
Very strong.
Very strong, very strong.
I'm 54.
54.
Yes, even then I'm stronger than the
Yes, younger one. You still go for hunting?
Yep.
Hunting?
Why not? Yes, I
Yeah, good, yeah. Strong man.
Yes.
Good.
Many beautiful girls.
Yes. I think you should teach me some skill.
Why not? Sure.
I should. Yeah.
But not now.
Not now. After work.
Very sacred.
Yeah, after work. You want to keep for yourself, that means.
Oh, yeah.
So in Department of
Oh,
Tourism, he's the
okay,
director.
okay. Hello, sir.
Welcome.
Nice meeting you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You all are from Assam.
Yes, yes, sir.
Binku. So you are till Shemba?
And today, and tomorrow we will explore.
We are going to have our lunch, and we have everything. Just one plate. Rice, one plate. I think this is beef, one plate, and that is a chicken, local, all Bhutanese product, not imported from anywhere. That's a sausage, and that's a salad.
What is this?
Fish,
Fish.
dry fish, and this is pork, beef, chicken, fish, salad, and sausage.
When I
Wow.
see this type of food, now I cannot control myself.
Yeah, cannot resist.
Please carry on.
Again, momo also. Wow.
Made of what? Beef.
Fish,
Cheese momo.
cheese momo. Wow. First time eating the cheese momo. And one piece of, I think I should use the hand only. One piece of beef. One piece of pork. Ayo, that's too big. Yeah. Then maybe that sausage we need to cut into pieces. Yeah. Dorji, please, you serve now one piece.
Another momo. What is this?
Wow. Which momo? Beef momo, cheese momo. Wow. What are you selling, brother? Oh, badam. Wow. Kacha badam ya pakka badam? Pakka badam.
Normally we go to shop, isn't it?
Yes.
But here we can see lots of expensive mobile sets.
Yes. Samsung Galaxy. Hi, beautiful girl.
Selling mobile.
Selling mobile. Very good. Wow. So far, any customer bought?
No, sir.
No.
So far, not. Not yet. Okay.
Okay, tomorrow.
Hmm.
Maybe waiting for tomorrow.
Yes. iPhone also.
iPhone 15.
Wow.
Whoa,
Wow. iPhone 15 also. Woo. Touchy sale. Even SIM also, no? Touchy sales. You can purchase SIM also.
What is the price?
70,900.
78.
iPhone 15.
128 in the
128 GB. Yeah.
Cheaper than India, no?
Oh,
Okay.
tax, no less tax. then we should buy from Bhutan. When we want to buy iPhone, that means we should come to Bhutan only. If it is cheaper than India.
I paid 84,000 for this iPhone 14.
14.
Then it could be better
15.
for me.
Oh yeah, why yeah.
15, na?
How much you say this one?
78,000.
78,000.
Arey.
Oh, yeah. If you want to buy iPhone 15, then you should come to Bhutan.
Done.
Only 78,000.
That is also 15.
Yes. 15.
Galaxy.
Ah, tab also, everything. Okay. Wow, we came to know today only. Which part of Bhutan are you? Trongsa. Where is it? In central, eastern, western?
Central.
Oh, central here only. Yeah. How far from here?
I don't really know.
Any kilometer Trongsa, brother? You tell. 80-90.
More than that.
100 plus.
100 plus. So you are from the company or individual?
Company.
Okay, from the company. You are enjoying holiday also, festival. Nice. Thank you. You are from Tashi company or Tashi Shell? From Tashi Shell company. Yeah, enjoy, okay? Have a great time. Hello. What are you bringing? Bought new flags, hot flags. Oh, tea is ready from home. Homemade tea. Butter tea. Butter tea. Favorite tea in Bhutan. Yeah. We also had many times butter tea today.
You want to taste?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Wow, so kind of you. Mark. Oh. Ah, see.
We are not each other.
Oh, yeah.
She is able to. Yeah.
Ah.
Even you are lucky to have tea
Yes.
by roadside, na?
Wow, yes. Thank you so much. Whoa.
Take it.
Wow. She's your daughter or your? Okay, beautiful daughter. Wow, we are so lucky, brother. See, on the roadside, we are getting homemade butter tea. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. You are from this locality only? Yeah, thank you so much.
This is made from corn.
Corns, yeah, from the maize. Smell. No.
Good sound.
Rice, sauce.
Oh, rice one, huh? Fried rice.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
it's okay.
Yeah, all like that.
Better than mine, no? Better than mine.
Good.
Let me do it.
Your one also good. Your one was different variety, long one. This one is short one.
Your one was made by that one. We call boiler. Yeah, by me. Local. Homemade.
Getting ready for the evening program. Oh, that's right. Fully prepared with all these snacks and butter tea. But we have finished already on the highway. Sorry for that. She's also your daughter? No. Her friend. Your friend?
She's my cousin.
No, cousins. What are you preparing? Some puri? What do you say in Bhutan, this puri? What? Puri only. Any other name in Bhutan? Kiptang. Puri is called keptang in Bhutan. Today I learned another word. Keptang. Working very hard, brothers. You have cooked also, no? Some food. What is here? Oh, momo, dumpling. And what is here?
This is also momos.
Momos. Okay, chicken momo, cheese momo, beef momo. Bro is very handsome. Show your face. Wow. Handsome brother. Oh, and so big. Yeah, just one. Hey, who else is eating again? Two. Just keep to another more.
I think you need a sausage, no? Or chili sauce or something.
Yes. If you have sausage.
I think
Yeah.
you're enjoying with this Buddhist.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. After chicken drumstick, brother is insisting me to have again this ara. I'm having this ara in Semgang.
Semgang.
Yeah, brother is so kind enough. He has offered me this ara.
So how do you find? Tasty.
Ah, good.
I think
Pure.
this on the heart.
Tomorrow.
Not too hard also.
Visit their place
Good.
also.
Yeah, this is perfect.
Have you got me?
Oh, nice shot, brother. In the car. Wow, good. And very stylish. You see, brother's jeans. Latest trend, latest style. Good one.
Beggars.
Yeah, and even the tattoo there, spider. Wow, spider. Since you cannot become a Spider-Man, so you did a tattoo of spider. Nice one, brother.
Show me your pistol.
Yeah, pistol. Wow.
Show me.
Yeah.
Wow.
Which countries met? Russian, US,
Where is
Chinese.
Where is your bullet?
No bullet.
Huh? You don't have bullet? Huh? Oh, you have got bullet.
Yeah. Children are happily enjoying.